Hello guys, my dear friends. I see you guys, and we all of, I mean, everybody in this world are struggling about this research, right? The one that you are doing is non-probability sampling method, in which you have convenience sampling, quota sampling, random sampling, snowball sampling, and the likes, right? Random sampling is you go to a crowd and you just pick anyone because it is related about SERVQUAL, service quality, right? Which requires you to go to service rendering places like restaurants, hotels, motels, any airline services, cafeterias, travel and tourism sector, and the likes. Okay, and that is the first thing. Yes, random is just going and asking anybody to fill up the survey. Traditional method was handing them a questions, printing questions with boxes in a Likert scale, 1 to 5, starting from strongly disagree to strongly agree. In between, they can stay neutral, because it is their basic human right to not answer or not, stand on, not say totally agree or totally disagree. That is Likert scale. So the first thing we do is before crafting questions, 22 questions in 5 things. Rater, R-A-T-E-R, R-A-T-E-R, rater, right? Reliability, assurance, tangibility, empathy, responsiveness. Those are 5 things there. Doing that, before doing, then these are like Sat Sur, like Sarigamapa, very, very crucial, very, very important, right? First, please take this research very, very seriously, like super seriously. And first thing is, understand what perception is. Deeply. Understand what expectations is. Deeply, right? Throw examples to yourself. For example, what is your perception? Make questions. This is my perceptions. This is my perception. This is my expectations. Make perception. For example, wake up early in the morning. What is your perception? What is your expectation, right? Texting a friend, a good friend of yours. What is your perception? What is your expectations? Relying on your friend. If your friend is saying something, what is your perception? What is your expectations? These are the things. Play around with this P and E, perception and expectations, right? That is phase 1. Step 1, you do that. Research is not going to happen overnight. First, you do that, perceptions and expectations, right? And secondly, what you do is try to make questions from RATER, 5 parameters. Try to make questions on 1, reliability, right? Every place offers reliability, tangibility, responsiveness, empathy, right? Every place offers that. So in relation to one place, one event, try to create questions based on tangibility. What is your perception? What is your expectation? And try to score that. It takes time to, fragment your mind in like from 1 to 5. What should 1 look like? What should 5 look like? It takes time, so it's a practice. Okay, and practice this. That is phase 2. Now after that, the nuances and basics of SPSS, the data view interface of SPSS, the variable view interface of SPSS. How can you do some regressions? How can you, end to the mean, median, and standard deviation? We'll talk in next session. Thank you guys.